Say, me I know like Wahala. Job life, catch cruise, whatever. My day talk, go yadaba. On my main lead, is Sakaba. See, me I know like Wahala. For the days I want reach Panama. If you dey hate, what I go.
Good day, everybody. Today I was playing Cooler Boy music while driving, delivering Jigbo to my customers. Cooler Boy, I love your music. It's a wonderful one, and I have been enjoying it today. I can see that some of our brothers and sisters don't understand what Jigbo is for. Jigbo is African food. It's a Nigerian food though, made in Enugu state. Let me just open one and show you. Okay, I don't know you know about this. I just want to open it so that you can see it. Okay, here we have the ingredient. All ingredient needed to prepare this Jigbo is in this sachet. So you don't need to add salt, you don't need to add pepper, you don't need there is crayfish already, grounded crayfish, grounded fish, and some African nutmeg, all these things. So that is all you need to prepare the Jigbo. Then I just want to thank all our customers, and I want to thank everybody sharing our videos in WhatsApp forum, other people sharing it in Facebook, in Instagram. Very soon you will see us in TikTok. So please, my people, do not forget, this one is our own. This one is our own. No chemical inside. It's something you will eat and enjoy it. Something you will eat and enjoy it. Please help us, keep sharing, make it go viral. Just Jigboman. If you want to get us in Facebook, just Jigboman. Jigboman, you just Jigboman. And Instagram Jigboman, and Twitter Jigboman, TikTok Jigboman, YouTube Jigboman. Please share our message, share our videos. I beg you, my people. I beg you, my people. Support us. Support us in what we are doing, so that we can excel. This Jigbo will give employment to our people. It's already giving employment to our people. So many people are hoping on it. So many people are surviving through this. So please join us to share this. Jigbo is a movement. Bye for now.